Hi everybody, it's Amy. So I thought I'd share a little project with you. I'm not a great DIY filmer, but I thought I'd put this on my second channel. I actually got a framed picture, and you guys may have seen it in a previous video. I liked it because it is a matted picture. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. The picture itself is kind of cool. It just doesn't really go with what I have going on in my house. I actually tried to get rid of this picture on Facebook. Nobody really wanted it. So it's like, all right, cool. I'm going to do something fun with it. Some of these succulents I actually have gotten from dumpster diving, and I bought like 2 sheets from Michael's a while ago when they were like super clearanced out. So I've always wanted a framed succulent art piece, and I figured what I'll do is I'll use these Dollar Tree shears and I will cut off the succulents, and I will glue them to where the picture is so I know exactly where on the frame. I'm hoping, because there is, I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a space in between the mat. See how it has an extra lid there? So the print is not right up against the frame. I'm hoping there'll be enough space once I cut these out and put them in. There is a like pressboard, cardboardy type backing that goes on, because this won't be too sound on the paper, but it might do okay with the cardboard on the back. And I have a lot of these, so I thought I'd put them to good use. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm not the greatest DIYer, but these sell for a lot in the stores. I've seen them at like Pottery Barn and Pier 1, and they've been like over $100. Alright guys, so it looks exactly how I want it to look. Simple, clean, love it. But I'm going to have to turn it over. Even though it has that gap, with the, see how it has the gap there? The succulents are like too new. I'm gonna have to turn this over for a while and like place something heavy on the back where they are and kind of squish them down. There's not gonna be any fancy glamour shot showing you this in my house. This was just like a little project. I didn't glue them on because I thought, well, what if I want to use them again? I have lifted it up and it doesn't, they don't fall out, because I mean they're like really pressed in there. So that's cool, but it is bucking a little bit. See it right there? So I had to put some tape on there. I don't know. If you guys have a better suggestion, definitely let me know in the comments, because you guys on the YouTube are much more crafty and better DIYers than I. So I just really like the look of it. Now if I can get it to stay together, we'll be all set. Thanks everybody.